Well, West Virginians are getting high praise today for their successful efforts to limit coronavirus in the Mountain State with one of the lowest rates in the nation. At the same time, the state is mourning its first death.
Hello, everyone.
Governor Jim Justice began his daily coronavirus briefing by noting West Virginia's first death from the disease, an 88-year-old woman from Marion County.
Kathy and I have had all kinds of prayer, especially prayer for all the loved ones of this person that passed away.
Despite that first death, West Virginia is faring better than most places. For example, between 30 and 50% of people in New York State who are tested turn up positive for COVID-19. The national average is 8 to 10%. In West Virginia, it's only 4%.
That's a direct reflection on the commitment of each one of the citizens of our state that are making a personal commitment to doing things to protect them, protect their families, protect their communities.
Despite a steady increase in COVID-19 cases, West Virginia still ranks among the bottom 10 states in the number of overall cases. The governor has now ordered that campgrounds and all state parks be closed, in addition to the lodges he ordered closed last week. He says he's getting a lot of reports of an influx of cars into West Virginia with out-of-state license plates, especially from hard-hit states. The governor says if those people don't self-quarantine, they can be charged.
As I understand, if the state police goes to them and says, you have to quarantine yourself for 14 days, and they refuse to do so, then they're basically obstructing.
The governor now says his staff is weighing the possibility of delaying the state primary election scheduled for May 12th or making it all mail-in ballots only.
We're considering all options at this point in time, and we'll let you know very soon.
The leader of the West Virginia National Guard announced today that Dow Chemical is providing another 40,000 pounds of hand sanitizer to the Mountain State.